There is a white powder sitting in a hardware store right now, probably less than 3 aisles from the front door, costing under $1. Not $2, not 5, under $1. And this powder will do something that no bottle of bathroom cleaner on any shelf in any supermarket has ever done. It will permanently destroy every single stain in a bathtub. Rust rings, yellow hard watermarks, brown calcium crust, decades of mineral buildup, all of it gone. Not lightened, not faded, gone. The porcelain underneath will look the way it did the day the tub was made. That powder has been available in stores since the early 1950s. Hardware stores have stocked it for over 70 years. Professional cleaners have used it in hotels, on ships, in industrial buildings for decades. And yet, the overwhelming majority of homeowners have never once heard its name. That is not an accident. That is a business strategy. Welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Marcus here, and today this channel is going to change the way you clean forever. If this kind of knowledge matters to you, real solutions, honest information, no fluff, then hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell. Share this video with every person you know who is still wasting money on bathroom spray bottles that barely work. This channel exists to put practical knowledge back in the hands of the people who need it. Let us get started. What this powder actually is. The powder is called oxalic acid. It is a naturally occurring organic compound found in rhubarb stalks, spinach leaves, sorrel, and dozens of other common plants. In its pure form, it comes as white crystals or a fine white powder. It is odorless. It dissolves completely in warm water, and when it contacts a rust stain, a hard water ring, or a calcium deposit on a bathtub surface, it triggers a chemical reaction that dismantles the stain at the molecular level. This is not folklore. This is not a cleaning hack from a social media post. This is established chemistry that has been documented in scientific literature for well over 2 centuries. What makes oxalic acid extraordinary is that it does not clean the way soap cleans. Soap molecules surround grease and dirt and float them off a surface. That process works fine for loose grime, but bathtub stains are not loose grime. Rust rings, hard water deposits, calcium scale, and iron discoloration are chemically bonded to the porcelain or enamel surface. They have been bonded there for years, sometimes decades. Soap cannot break those bonds. Scrubbing cannot break those bonds. No amount of product from a spray bottle can break those bonds. Oxalic acid can. And here is why. The chemistry that makes it work. Oxalic acid contacts iron oxide, which is the correct scientific name for rust. A process called chelation occurs. The oxalate ions in the acid lock onto the iron ions in the rust and pull them away from the surface. The rust does not get pushed sideways or covered over. It gets chemically converted into a new compound called iron oxalate, which is water-soluble. Water-soluble means it dissolves in water and rinses away completely. The stain is not relocated, it ceases to exist on the surface. The same process happens with calcium deposits. Hard water leaves behind calcium and magnesium minerals that build up layer by layer over the years. These minerals bond tightly to porcelain and enamel. Oxalic acid targets the calcium and magnesium ions directly, breaking those mineral bonds and converting the deposits into soluble compounds that rinse down the drain with plain water. Research in chelation chemistry has confirmed that oxalic acid binds with calcium, iron, and magnesium ions more powerfully than any surfactant-based household cleaner. This is why a single application of a dollar powder does what 50 bottles of bathroom spray cannot. The chemistry is not doing something miraculous, it is doing something precise. It is targeting the exact molecular bonds that hold the stain to the surface and severing them cleanly. One more fact worth understanding. Oxalic acid does not damage porcelain, enamel, ceramic tile, fiberglass, or stainless steel when used correctly and at proper dilution. It is safe for acrylic tubs and chrome faucet hardware.
The one material to keep it away from completely is polished marble. Marble is calcium carbonate, and acid will etch it. For everything else in a standard bathroom, oxalic acid is both effective and surface safe. Where this powder has been hiding. Walk into any hardware store, skip the cleaning aisle completely. Go to the paint department or the wood restoration section. Look on the lower shelves for a product labeled either wood bleach, deck brightener, or rust remover crystals. Some containers will say oxalic acid directly on the label. The price will be somewhere between $1 and $3 for a container that contains enough powder for dozens of applications. The reason it is in the wood section rather than the bathroom cleaning aisle is revealing. Woodworkers have known about this compound for generations. It is the standard treatment for stripping gray, weathered color from outdoor decks and restoring them to their natural wood tone. Boat restoration crews use it to remove mineral staining from fiberglass hulls. Antique restorers use it to lift iron stains from old timber without bleaching the surrounding wood. The compound migrated into the professional trades and the woodworking world while the general consumer was being steered toward the branded bathroom cleaning aisle. That is where it has been hiding since the 1950s. Not banned, not discontinued, not reformulated out of existence. Sitting on the bottom shelf in the paint section, costing less than a cup of tea, doing the same job it has always done.
How the cleaning industry buried it. This is the part that seniors who grew up before the mass-market cleaning industry expanded need to understand clearly. Your grandparents did not have a 50-foot cleaning aisle. They had a tin or a small paper bag of powder under the kitchen sink. Their bathtubs were clean. Their pots were polished. Their stains were gone. The knowledge of what worked was passed between households, between neighbors, between generations. Then, the cleaning products industry grew into a $200 billion global market. The companies that built that market, the major household brands whose names appear on every shelf in every supermarket, built their revenue model on one foundational principle: repeat purchase. The product must not solve the problem permanently. If the stain is gone forever after one application, the customer never comes back. A customer who never comes back generates zero lifetime revenue. So these companies designed products that manage stains instead of eliminating them. A spray that lightens the yellow today means the customer buys another bottle in 3 weeks. A foam that temporarily whitens the tub means another purchase in a month. The stain is always there, always returning, always requiring another product. That is the business model. It is not a secret. Industry analysts describe it openly. The repeat purchase cycle is the engine of the entire household cleaning market. Oxalic acid breaks that model completely. One application, problem eliminated. No repeat sale, no subscription, no loyalty program. A $2 container that lasts an entire year is the worst possible product for a company that needs customers returning to the shelf every few weeks. So the industry did not fight it directly. They did not need to. They simply flooded the market with hundreds of competing products in bright packaging with celebrity endorsements and television commercials. They trained consumers to associate bathroom cleaning with weekly rituals involving specialized brand-name products. They made the cleaning aisles so crowded and so loud that a plain container of oxalic acid powder on the bottom shelf of the hardware store became invisible to most people. That is how knowledge gets buried, not through bans, not through recalls, through noise. What the professionals never stopped using. While most households were spending between $70 and $180 every year on bathroom cleaning products that managed their stains without solving them, the professional cleaning industry kept using oxalic acid without interruption. Hotel housekeeping departments maintain bathtubs between guests using oxalic acid solutions because nothing restores porcelain to a factory white appearance as quickly or as completely. Marine restoration professionals use it in bulk to strip mineral deposits and waterline staining from fiberglass boat hulls. Industrial cleaning operations purchase it in 55-pound bags because at commercial scale, no other product matches its effectiveness per dollar spent. Textile and fabric restoration operations use it to remove iron-based yellowing from white linens and cotton fabrics that have been stained by old plumbing or hard water. Stone restoration crews use diluted oxalic acid solutions to remove rust staining from historic limestone and sandstone buildings without damaging the underlying material. The professionals never stopped knowing. The product never stopped working. The people who were not told are the people who trusted the cleaning aisle to give them what worked best. It did not. It gave them what generated the most revenue. If you are finding this useful right now, pause for one moment and share this video. Someone in your contacts list is spending money every month on bathroom spray bottles that do not work. Send this to them. That is how this knowledge spreads.
The full cost of not knowing. The financial damage from this information gap is significant, and it compounds over time. A standard branded bathroom cleaner costs between $8 and $15 per bottle. The average household uses 6 to 12 bottles per year. That is somewhere between $70 and $180 annually on bathroom cleaning products alone. Over a decade, that is between $700 and $1,800 spent on products that were never designed to permanently fix the problem. When the stains finally become too deep and too set for any spray bottle to touch, homeowners call a professional. Bathtub reglazing, the professional process of refinishing the surface, costs between $300 and $600 per tub. Full bathtub replacement starts at $1,500 and can exceed $8,000 when plumbing adjustments, tile work, and installation are included. Every dollar of that expense could have been prevented by a powder that costs less than $1 and sits in a hardware store less than 10 minutes from most homes. The stains that drive reglazing and replacement are not mysterious. They are mineral deposits and iron staining that oxalic acid removes completely. If households had known about this powder and used it regularly over the years, the bathtub surface underneath would never have reached the point of needing professional refinishing. This is not a small issue. Across millions of households, this knowledge gap has redirected enormous amounts of money from working families toward an industry that profits from the gap itself. Step by step, how to use it correctly. Using oxalic acid safely and effectively is straightforward. Follow these steps exactly. First, gather what is needed: rubber gloves, safety glasses, a plastic bucket, a sponge or soft bristle brush, and the oxalic acid powder. Ventilate the bathroom by opening a window or running the exhaust fan before beginning. Put on the rubber gloves and safety glasses before touching the powder. This is not optional. Oxalic acid is an acid, and it will irritate skin and eyes on contact. Protective gear takes 10 seconds to put on and prevents all risk. Mix 2 tablespoons of oxalic acid powder into 1 quart of warm water in the plastic bucket. Stir slowly until the powder dissolves completely. The solution will be clear. Apply the solution to the stained areas using a sponge or a spray bottle. Cover the stains fully. Then stop. Do not scrub. The chemistry is now doing the work, and scrubbing adds nothing. The oxalate ions are already attaching to the mineral deposits at the molecular level and beginning to convert them into water-soluble compounds. Let the solution sit for 15 to 20 minutes. For stains that have accumulated over 10 to 30 years, allow up to 30 minutes of contact time. Warm solutions work more efficiently than cold ones, so working in a room temperature bathroom rather than a cold one will improve results. After the wait, rinse the entire surface thoroughly with clean water.
Look at the bathtub. The yellow is gone. The rust rings are gone. The calcium scale is gone. What remains is the original porcelain or enamel surface that has been hidden under those stains for years. For extremely heavy buildup that has accumulated over many decades, a second application with a slightly stronger solution, 3 tablespoons per quart, will complete the job. In virtually every case, 2 applications are sufficient to restore a bathtub that would otherwise require professional refinishing. After the final rinse, dry the surface with a clean towel. Neutralize any remaining solution in the bucket by stirring in ordinary baking soda until bubbling stops, then dispose of the neutralized liquid carefully. Never mix oxalic acid with bleach or any other cleaning product. Never use it on marble or polished stone. Never allow it near children or pets during application. Store the remaining powder in its original container with the label visible.
Other surfaces where this works. The bathtub is just one application. Oxalic acid works with equal effectiveness on ceramic tile grout that has developed rust staining from iron pipes. It restores stainless steel sinks that have developed rust rings from metal cans sitting on the surface. It removes hard water deposits from glass shower screens that no commercial cleaner has been able to touch. It clears mineral scale from toilet bowls that have been stained by decades of iron-rich water. Outside the bathroom, it strips gray weathering from wood decks and fences, restoring the natural color of the timber. It removes rust staining from concrete driveways caused by metal garden furniture or car parts. It clears iron staining from brick and mortar on exterior walls. It is used in wastewater treatment to remove calcium from industrial water. It is used in photographic film development as a reducing agent. The applications extend across every industry that deals with mineral staining or iron oxidation. One compound, dozens of uses, under $1, available everywhere. The bottom line. The information shared on this channel exists because practical knowledge belongs to the people who can use it, not the corporations that profit from withholding it. Seniors Cleaning Hacks is built on that principle. Marcus and this entire community are here to make sure that the solutions that work, the real ones, the affordable ones, the ones that have been proven for generations, stay accessible. Oxalic acid did not disappear because it failed. It disappeared from public awareness because it worked too well. A product that permanently solves the problem after a single application is a threat to an industry built entirely on repeat purchase. So the industry grew louder. The shelves got longer. The advertising got more expensive. And a powder that costs $1 stayed quietly on the bottom shelf of the hardware store, waiting for someone to remember it was there. It is still there. Go find it, use it, and share this video with every person you know who is still pouring money into spray bottles that were never designed to give them what they actually needed. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks right now. Leave a comment below telling Marcus what stain has been giving you trouble the longest. The next video on this channel is going to open up another chapter of knowledge that the industry spent decades trying to keep off the shelf. Stay with this community. The information here is free, it is honest, and it works.